Worried about cheek fillers making you look overdone? Let me tell you how to avoid a puffy face and achieve a natural sculpted look. Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Bracci, VERVE Medical Cosmetics. I'm here to bust some myths and share with you my insider knowledge on how to achieve that natural, youthful look with cheek fillers. Trust me, it's possible to enhance your natural features without looking like you have pillows in your face. Let's start with the basics. Cheek fillers are injectable materials designed to add volume and lift the mid-face area. They're not just about plumping, they're about restoring our youthful contours that we all crave. Here's something critical that many people do overlook. The face isn't just one-dimensional flat surface. We've got a mid-face, that's the area underneath the eyes, and we have a lateral cheekbone area. Both play a huge role in looking younger and vibrant as we age. As we age, we lose volume in the mid-face, which can make us look tired and drawn. For many older patients, this is often their priority area, but for many of my younger clients, we might focus more on the contouring in that lateral cheekbone for that chiseled look. With this client, you can see in the after photo there is more definition and contouring, especially on the lateral sides of her face. The nice thing is that the lifting and the contouring looks extremely natural because we used a filler type called Radiesse that appears more like bony definition rather than the puffiness often associated with the hyaluronic acid filler types. Balance is key, treating both areas comprehensively and avoiding that lopsided or overdone appearance. Now let's talk about products. Not all products are created equal. Hyaluronic acid fillers you've probably heard of, like Juvederm and Restylane. They're popular because they're easy to inject and they give instant results, but there is a catch. They absorb water. That's great for hydration, but it can often lead to that puffy look that we're trying to avoid. Firmer fillers is where the excitement is. Products like Radiesse and Sculptra are game changers. They don't just add volume, they provide structure and they stimulate your own collagen production. The results, a more natural, longer lasting enhancement without the water retention and without that puffiness. The importance of technique and expertise. This is where it's at. Product is only as good as the provider yielding that needle or cannula. Choosing an experienced injector isn't just a recommendation. In my opinion, it's essential. A skilled practitioner understands the nuances of facial architecture. They know exactly where to place the filler so it lifts and supports. And just as importantly, how much to use is important. I often use a specialized instrument called a cannula instead of a needle. It allows me for more precise placement. It reduces the risk of bruising. And these are the little details that, in my opinion, make all the difference. Now let's talk about what you can expect if you do decide to get cheek fillers. During the procedure, I opt to pre-numb the area with an injectable anesthetic. The treatment itself usually goes pretty quickly, usually at 30 minutes or less. You might feel some pressure, some mild discomfort, but that's generally very tolerable. After the treatment, expect some swelling and possibly some bruising. It's totally normal and usually subsides within several days. I always tell my patients to be mindful of strenuous exercise and alcohol intake for 24 hours. Patience is the key. Let's be real, any cosmetic procedure comes with inherent risks. The most common side effects are bruising and swelling and even tenderness at the injection site. In extremely rare cases, more serious complications can occur, like vascular occlusions. That's why choosing a qualified, dedicated, experienced injector is so important. They'll know how to minimize these risks and handle any complications that may arise. So in conclusions, this is where you have it, folks. The secret to natural looking cheek filler lies in choosing the right product, finding a skilled, dedicated injector, and taking a balanced approach to facial enhancement. Remember, the goal isn't to look like a different person, it's to look the best version of yourself. If you're considering cheek fillers, schedule a consultation at VERVE Medical Cosmetics and let's get those cheeks looking sculpted.